At Pesla Consultancy Limited, we are emphasizing on keeping accurate record. When you keep accurate record, you are able to use those financial statements, those records to make decisions. If they are not accurate, they are of no use. They are just a paper, okay? Businesses want to have accurate records so that they can make decisions. You have employed an accountant. You want him or her to do the accounting, and it must be accurate. That is what you want. As a business owner, what can you do to help the accountant keep accurate record? We are going to learn about writing checks today. What can you do as a business owner to help your accountant keep accurate record? How do you write checks? What are the common mistakes business owners do when writing checks? At least you will know and make amendments, okay? So, today we are learning about writing checks. What are the common mistakes business owners do when writing checks? We will start with the first one. I have 6 of them. And the last one is the most important one. What can you do as a business owner to help the accountant keep accurate record so that when they give you those financial reports, you are able to make decisions using those financial reports. If they are not accurate, you cannot use them. So today I'm going to give you ways how you can write checks, what you should do. These checks can help you keep accurate record. I know check writing is very important in businesses. They use checks to pay their suppliers, pay expenses, all those things. So what can you do as a business owner that can help you keep accurate record? And even if you have employed an accountant, it's not just an accountant just there preparing financial statements that are inaccurate. They cannot help you even make a decision. The work of financial report is to help you make decision. So they must be accurate. They must be accurate. So I'm giving you 6 ways what you can do when writing checks that can help the accountant keep accurate record, and you as a business owner, you will get accurate financial reports that will help you make decision. The accountant will do his or her work, and you as a business owner, you are going to get the output, which is accurate financial reports. Okay, so the first one is always attach complete supporting documents. Even before you write checks as a business owner, always attach supporting documents. What do I mean by supporting documents? You want to pay a purchase, attach the invoice, attach the LPO, approved LPO, local purchase order. All those documents that support the payment. Maybe you want to pay electricity, support the invoice that you got from KPLC. Always write check when you have supporting document. Attach those supporting documents. Don't just write checks. Write checks when you have supporting documents. Which expenses are you paying? So that we as accountant, we are able to tell which type of an expense. Is it electricity? Is it purchase? The second one that will help you as a business owner when you are writing check is to use proper payment voucher method. You are going to use proper payment voucher method. You have a payment voucher in your company where you record all checks, the invoice, the check number, all those details about that check. Have a payment voucher system that is going to record all those checks. the check number, the type of expense, maybe it is an invoice, all that. Have a payment voucher system and you will never go wrong. Immediately you write that check, let the accountant write all the details about that checks, the check number, what are you paying, all those things. And let me tell you, you will never go wrong. You are going to keep accurate record. Immediately you write that check, let your accountant scan it, and he or he will be able to record it immediately. Even if you are in a hurry, let them take a picture using their phone, then they can record the check immediately, all the details about the check. So we have said you have a payment voucher system that will help you record checks and what the check is paying. The payment, okay? Who are you paying? All those things. You will never go wrong. Have a payment voucher system. And if you need help, you can contact me. You can contact me and I can train your employees on how to keep accurate record. I can train them. If you want someone who can teach you and train your accountants on how to keep accurate record, I'm here for you. Pesra Consultancy is here for you. We know that accurate record is the way to go. We don't prepare just records and financial statement for the sake of doing it. It is for the interest of the company, and that financial statement that can help them make decision. So I am here for you. I can train your employees. I can show them how to keep accurate record and to keep the momentum. It is not a one-day affair, but a continuous process. But it needs cooperation between the employer and the employee. That is between the business owner and the accountant. So the business owner must be cooperative. They must cooperate with the accountant so that the work can be done and the accurate record can be kept. So as a business owner, you are the one writing the check. So you must cooperate with the accountant. When they ask you for that check, you are able to give them. Okay? Are we together? We have said that the first one is you must have supporting document when you are writing checks. The second one, we have said that you have a payment voucher system where you record all the checks and the details. Let's go to the third one. Write clear and correct details on the check. Write clear and correct details on the checks. Be clear. What are you writing? Who are you paying? Be clear. Write all the details needed on the checks. The payee. Who are you paying? Which expense? The amount in words and in figures. All that. Be keen. Write checks when you are sure the amount you want to pay, the expense you want to pay. Don't sign blank checks in advance. Write checks when they are needed as a business owner. Carry with you the checkbook. Just write checks when they are needed and write all the details that are needed. And once you write it, maybe you give it to the payee. Just take a picture, have the picture of the check, give it to your accountant so that they can record in the system all the details about the check. So write all the details about the check. Write checks when you are sure. Who are you paying? The amount in words and an amount in figures. Don't be in a hurry. Cross check if the amount in words is the same as amount in figures. Go back and do your investigation. Look at the invoice. Look at the LPO that was approved, all those supporting documents. Be diligent. Don't be in a hurry. Just cross-check and see that this payment is supposed to be done. So let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one is you record checks immediately. I will emphasize on this. Don't wait. Most people will tell you, I will remember, I cannot forget. And these people who say that, they are the one most likely to forget. So as a business owner, please don't say that you are not going to forget. Please let your accountant know that you have written a check. You are paying a certain expense. Let them know. Let there be collaboration. Don't write a check and they don't know if you wrote the check. So that they are able to record that expense is already paid. They are able to record. So please record it immediately. Don't wait. Don't wait. This is the emphasis on this. The fourth one, record checks immediately. That's where I will emphasize more. Record it immediately. Business owner, cooperate with your accountant. Let them know you have written the check. Let them know. Take the picture of the check. Even if you are not in the office, take the picture, then send it to your accountant so that they are able to record the check. They are able to know this is the marketing expense, this is electricity, this is office rent. And even if it is office rent, let them know which month are you paying. Is it February office rent? Is it March office rent? Is it April office rent? Let them know. Be accurate. Be specific when you are writing to them. Okay? I have paid office rent for the year 2023. Let them know. Let them know immediately so that you can keep accurate record. So we said keeping accurate record is not a one-day affair. It is a continuous process. Now we are on the fifth one. Now we are in the fifth one. Don't skip check numbers. Most people skip check numbers. Maybe the check is number 34. You skip number 34, you write number 35. Don't skip without an explanation. You must have an explanation. And if the check is cancelled, is void, just write void. Make sure you give explanation. Make sure you give explanation. Write check in sequence. From number 1, you go to number 2, to number 3, to number 4. Let them be consecutive. Don't skip check numbers when you are writing checks. Some people even plaque those checks. We don't know where they went, and they don't even explain to the accountant. And you must show them, where did this check go? Don't skip check numbers. And if you skip, let us know the explanation. If the check was cancelled, just write void and we are able to know it was cancelled. Put it there. Let us see it as accountant. But as a business owner, don't skip check numbers. Only skip check numbers with explanation. Don't plaque it there. Let's see the explanation there. Maybe it was cancelled. Maybe you made errors. You made errors. Just do not skip check numbers. I will emphasize on this. Even some business owner will skip invoice numbers. This is a serious issue. When it comes to auditing, skipping check numbers is a very serious issue. Make the work of the accountant easier. As a business owner, don't skip check numbers without explanation. Let us know why you skipped those check numbers. Are we together? Now we are in number 6, the last one. Communicate payment purpose. Communicate payment purpose. Always communicate payment purpose. What are you paying as a business owner? When you are keeping accurate record, as a business, you only write checks that affect business. You don't mix personal expense with business expense. Don't mix personal expense with business expense. Always write checks that are related to business expense. Explain the expenses to the accountant, so they are able to know if it is marketing, is it office rent, is it electricity. We are able to track and see Where are our money going as a business? Which expense is taking a lot of our money? You are able to make decision as a business owner. And the way you can do it, collaborate with the accountant. Let the relationship between you and the accountant be strong in such a way that even when you are not in the office, they are able to contact you and tell you, can you send me the transaction that you did today so that I can record? Most of business owners are not able to be in the office all the time. They are not able to be in the office all the time. They can even stay 2 weeks without coming to the office. So you, with the internet, with the technology, you still can be able to speak to, as an accountant, you can be able to talk to your employer, even if they don't come to the business every day. So I can advise the accountant to always speak to your employer, to the business owner frequently. I advise every day, make sure you talk to them. Ask them the transaction they have done today that relate to the business so that you can record. Don't wait until the end of the month. Sometimes this business owner, the employer will forget. So always follow up as the accountant, because this will make your work easier. If you follow up every day, it will make your work easier. The bank reconciliation will be easier. You will not be scratching your head when it comes to the end of the month and the business owner wants you to reconcile the bank statement and you have not been following up. You have not been following up on the check numbers they have written that month. You are following up the end of the month. That's where you see the blank checks. You start seeing they didn't communicate what they were paying. You don't know what they paid. You can see the amount. You don't know what they paid. You don't know which type of expense. You don't know which invoice was paid. All that. So you will find that even your creditor's account is messed up. It is not correct. It is not accurate. So keeping accurate record is an everyday affair. As an accountant, it is not only doing accounting, preparing financial statement. Financial statements are only important when the records are accurate. They are useful when the records are accurate. If the numbers are not accurate, they are of no use. It's just a paper. Accurate record is the way to go as a business. The work of accountant will produce output if the records are accurate. You cannot use inaccurate record. Unless you keep accurate record, that's when you can use those statements. That's when you can use those financial reports. Even if I give you financial reports as a business owner, they will not help you if they are not accurate. They will not help you. Those are that is just a paper. They will not help you. So emphasize on keeping accurate record. Post immediately the transaction happens. They will only help you if they are accurate. So cooperate with the accountant. If you need someone who can train your accountants on how to keep accurate record, contact me. Contact Pesira Consultancy Limited. We are going to help you keep accurate record. We are going to train your accountants, your employee, on how to keep accurate record, how to collaborate with the other people in the department and get the information, and they are able to give you accurate record. It is not a one-day affair. It is everyday affair. Keeping accurate record in business, it never ends. There is no starting point and ending point. It is continuous. Even in accounting, we have balance brought forward. It is a continuous process. we have balance brought forward, and the end of the year we have balance carried down. So in accounting, it is a continuous process. No ending point, no, there is starting point, no ending point. So this year, as a business, start keeping accurate record. If you need help, you can contact us. We can show you how to keep accurate record. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be giving you more insight on the same, what you can do to keep accurate record, to make the work of the accountant easy, the work of the auditor. When the auditor comes, their work is very simple. They will be able to audit the company. They will be able to give you will be given unqualified audit opinion. You will not start adjusting account when the auditor comes. You already have accurate record. Are we together? Subscribe, like, share this information so that you can help businesses keep accurate record, whereby those accurate record will help them make decisions. I want the work of an accountant to be felt. And the only way the work of an accountant can be felt in an organization is keeping accurate record. If you don't have accurate record as a business, these records, this financial statement will not help you. These financial statements are just a paper. It is just a paper. So as a business, the main thing, what you should focus on, emphasize on, is keeping accurate record. And it is not an one-day affair. It is a continuous process. It is a continuous process. Even in business, we have balance. Even in financial statement, we have balance brought forward. This is a continuous process. So the only way you can make the work of an accountant be felt is keeping accurate record. But because accurate record are the only record that can help the business owner or the employer to make decision. All other record, if they are not accurate, they are of no use in the business. They are just a paper. Just put it inside the dustbin. They cannot help you. But if you have accurate record, you can make decision, informed decision.